It is given integral a to b x cube dx equal to 0. We use the formula for integral x power n dx with n equal to 3. So x power 4 by 4 with the limits a to b equal to 0. Applying the limits, we get b power 4 by 4 minus a power 4 by 4 equal to 0. Multiply both sides with 4. Express this as b square the whole square minus a square the whole square to factorize it. Apply the identity for x square minus y square. Apply the identity for x square minus y square one more time. Since it is given that integral a to b x square dx equal to 2 by 3, we assume b minus a is not equal to 0. So we get b plus a equal to 0 or b equal to minus a. We start with the second integral. Use integration formula and then apply the limits. Multiply both sides with 3 to get b cube minus a cube equal to 2. Use equation 1 to replace b with minus a. So we get minus a cube equal to 2, which means minus 2a cube equal to 2 or a cube equal to minus 1. Take cube root to get a equal to minus 1. Substitute a equal to minus 1 in equation 1 and get b equal to 1.